Hi,
Hi.
can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Can you see me?
Yes, I can.
Wow, that's great. Welcome to my class. I am Teacher JC, an online English teacher. Do you know what? Teacher JC likes dancing and eating ice cream. How about you? What is your name?
My name is Matma.
Nice to meet you, Mat. How old are you? Are you 5, 4, or 6?
I am 5 years old.
Wow, you're so young. How are you today? Are you happy or sad?
I'm happy.
I am happy too. What are your hobbies? Do you like swimming, reading, singing, dancing, or cooking?
I like drawing.
Wow, I like growing too. So now let's learn farm animals. Are you ready?
Yes,
But first, we will sing a song. Do you like singing?
yes,
Do you know how to sing Old MacDonald?
yes.
Let's sing it together.
Old MacDonald
Donald
had a
had a
farm,
farm,
E-I-E-I-O.
E-I-E-I-O.
And on
And
that
on
farm
his
he
farm he
had a
had a
cow,
cow.
E-I-E-I-O. What does
Without
a cow say? Meow.
no,
No,
no.
Moo.
move.
Yes.
Moo moo here and a moo moo
Moo
there.
there,
Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald
he
had a
had a
farm,
farm.
E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a
Had a
farm,
farm.
E-I-E-I-O, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he
He
had a
had a
pig,
pig. E-I-E-I.
E-I-E-I-O. What does a pig say? Quack,
No,
tweet tweet,
no.
oink.
Yes.
With an oink oink here and an
With the
oink
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 there,
there,
here an
here a
oink, there
oink,
an
there
oink,
a
everywhere an
every
oink
oink
oink.
oink,
Old
here
MacDonald
MacDonald
had a
had a
farm,
farm.
E-I-E-I-O.
E-I-E-I-O.
Old MacDonald
He
had a
had a
farm,
farm.
E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. What does a sheep say? Cluck cluck,
No,
oink,
no.
No.
ba.
Yes.
Ba ba here and a ba
Ba,
ba
ba,
there. Here a
here a
ba,
ba,
there a
here a
ba,
ba,
everywhere
here
a ba
a
ba.
ba.
Old
Old
MacDonald
MacDonald
had a
had a
farm,
farm.
E-I-E-I-O.
E-I-E-I-O.
Old MacDonald had a
Had a
farm,
farm.
E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he
He
had a
had a
duck,
duck.
E-I-E-I-O. What does a duck say? Meow?
No.
Moo? Quack quack.
No.
Yes.
With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm,
E-I-E-I-O.
E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a
Had a
farm,
farm.
E-I-E-I-O.
E-I-E-I-O.
And on that farm he had a rooster, E-I-E-I-O. What does a rooster say? Ribbit?
No,
No.
Meow?
no.
Cock-a-doodle-doo? When the
Yes.
cock-a-doodle doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle-doo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O, E-I-E-I-O.
Wow, that was so fun. So now look, listen, and say.
Dog.
Dog.
What is the dog's doing?
Spinning around.
Very good.
Cat.
Cat.
What is the color of the cat?
Black, brown, and white.
Wow, great job.
Duck.
Duck.
What is the duck's holding?
A hat.
What is the color of the hat?
Blue.
Very good.
Pig.
Pig.
What is the sound of the pig?
Oink, oink.
What is the color of the pig?
Pink.
Great job. The last one is
A hen.
what is the color of the hen?
Brown.
What is the hen's doing?
Dancing.
Very good. Great job, Matt. So I will give you a 5 star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, you got a 5 star. Look, listen, and answer. What animal is this? It's a
Pig.
it's a pig. Very good. Do you like duck? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Yes.
You say, yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
I like ducks too. What does the dog say?
Woof, woof.
Wow, great job, Matt. So you will have 3 star. 1, 2, 3. Wow, you got a 3 star. So now you will look, listen, and match the numbers. What number is a cow?
Number 2.
What?
Number 3.
Very good. How about a dog?
Number 1.
Very good. How about pig?
Number 5.
Very good. How about a cat?
Number 2.
Very good. How about a duck?
Number 4.
Very good. So you got a 5 star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, that's really nice. Look, listen, and get the missing letters. This is a cat. What letter is missing?
A.
Very good. Letter A. How about the cow?
O. W.
Very good, Matmat. How about the dog? What is the missing letter? Letter. Letter
O.
O and
W.
no. You say O and G.
O. N. G.
Very good, Matmat. How about the duck? What is the missing letters?
U.
U. The other letters?
C.
C and
Master Keiko.
C and
K.
very good, Matmat. How about pig? What are the missing letters?
P.
C.
I.
I. Very good. Yes. How about the hen? What are the missing letters?
H.
H and H and
N.
very
N.
great job, Matmat. So I will give you 6 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, you get a 6 stars. Now, do you want to play a game, Matmat?
Yes.
Let's play a game. You will guess the animals. What animal is this?
A dog.
Dog.
Very good. How about this?
A cat.
Cat.
Very good, Matmat. How about this?
A duck.
Duck.
Wow, great job. How about this?
A pig.
Pig.
Very good. It's a pig. How about this? What animal is this?
A cow.
It's a cow.
Cow.
Very good. So now you will look, listen, and guess. My pet is lost. It likes bones and it is very friendly. What animals is this? It's a
Dog.
very
Dog.
good. It's a dog. My pet is lost. It can see in the dark and it likes mice. It's a what animal is this?
Cat.
It's a cat.
Cat.
Very good. So that's
I
all for
see
today.
you again.
We'll give you 10-star Mat for doing so well today. 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, you get a 10-star. What did you learn for our lesson today, Mat? We learned about
Animals.
farm animals. What are the farm animals that we have learned?
Cats, dog, pigs, cow, and ducks.
Wow, very good. You really did well. See you next time, Mat. That's all. Bye-bye.